And
Okay.
Philip was my mother's partner, so
Yeah.
hence the connection and the land.
Oh, right.
They created
Yeah,
this
I've
together.
lived out here for 36 years.
Wow.
And what we started to do was a wildlife corridor here. That was our initial intention, Mrs. Dobie and myself, Davina's mother.
All right.
Well, Paula, we officially lease this land to you from today. So, welcome, karibu.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This 30 acres has just been given to us to build the first headquarters for our Wildlife Warriors kids. These are children from the age of 6 to 14 or so. They will be coming here to do their own research, to learn about nature, to learn from the community, the local cultures, the traditional medicines, and to explore and discover, do their own science, take their photographs, tell their own stories. It's going to be the first of its kind, a protected area by children, for children.
We are looking for conservation champions. And the fact that this land has been donated to us to be able to carry one of the key objectives, which is to train, teach, counsel children on the values of conservation. We can aspire for conservation, but if we are not teaching our children how to live with the wildlife, how to live with fauna and flora, then we are missing a very big step. And I think for us today, we have been able to achieve a milestone in terms of ensuring that we are starting a journey where we can be able to bring in children from all over the country, in this country, to come and teach them the values of conservation.
I joined up with Rex Dobie from the DT Dobie Company, and her dream had always been to be involved with wildlife. We had a piece of land up here joined onto the estate, which we had formed an organization called the Kenya Conservation Trust. We discussed it and decided that, well, the best thing for the future is to hand it over to WildlifeDirect, which is youthful energy, and let them pick up the ball and carry it from here.
This is going to be a very important learning center for young Kenyans, and we hope to accomplish and bring up young wildlife warriors for the next generations. This is land that has continued to be the same as God has created it millions of years ago, to learn about the biodiversity, to learn about the birds, the animals, to learn about the insects. And so we want to thank the family, Dobie, for their generous donation and assure them that the donation that they have given to WildlifeDirect today will be used for posterity, for our young persons to continue to learn and to appreciate nature.
We're really excited to have this beautiful piece of land. I do not think that we have this kind of a project or this kind of idea that is being done in Kenya. And we look forward to seeing how this is going to grow, especially for young children who do not necessarily think of science as being fun or even think about science projects. We promise we are going to use this facility for whatever it is we have agreed to do, which is for education, agricultural learning, and a lot of fun.
I've witnessed the lease being signed by the Conservation Trust and the WildlifeDirect And I'm now very hopeful that the very good intention of providing education to our kids is going to be materialized. It is going to benefit us now and for all the years that this project is going to be there.
This idea of wildlife warriors is quite contagious and extraordinary because children learning from nature has to be the most natural way for them to learn.